the Architecture tab to create the door, or use shortcut DR. The first step is to choose a door type. Then make sure to set the sill height. In this example, we keep a value of 0. Hover your cursor above the wall to preview the door and click to create. Click on the little blue arrows to flip the door. You can also flip the door by pressing spacebar. Let's modify the door type. Click on Edit Type and click Duplicate. Set a new name for the door. Adjust the width and the height of the door. Then pick materials for both the frame and the panel of the door. Your new door type is now complete.